The Optimism airdrops were worth about $500 million at their peak market cap valuation. So it's likely that the Arbitrum airdrop could do that, if not more. And with that being said, if you haven't already, this is a last call to position yourself to qualify for that potential Arbitrum airdrop. So let's start off with a brief refresher on what Arbitrum is, and then we'll go into some of the ways to potentially qualify. In a nutshell, Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution designed to improve the capabilities of the Ethereum mainnet, or layer 1. And it's going to be done through speed, scalability, and privacy features, which uses optimistic rollups. This is a new developing technology, no need to get in the nitty-gritty of it, but just understand that transactions will be completed at the layer 2, with Arbitrum recording the results in the main chain, or layer 1. And right now, the L2 scaling wars are competing for some insane potential upside. And so here's some easy ways that we could benefit. As of writing, Arbitrum tops the ranks as Ethereum's largest L2 ecosystem to date. Liquidity is abundant, infrastructure is getting built out, the devs are doing something, and active users are on the rise. Let's take a look at all of the notable developments recently. So this is a report by Delphi. Since August, the weekly transactions on Arbitrum are up over 550%. At the time, Arbitrum had only 9% of the weekly Ethereum transactions, but today, Arbitrum has 62%. Since October 10th, weekly active users have grown 125% to reach all-time highs, even surpassing numbers recorded during the Arbitrum Odyssey event. Arbitrum has been dropping hints about their much anticipated airdrop of the Arby token, and much of this new heightened activity is probably from speculators like you and I trying to boost our on-chain activities in the hopes of receiving a larger airdrop. And finally, after the Nitro upgrade came out, the average number of new contracts deployed increased from about 1,800 a week to 6,000 per week. This is an important marker for on-chain development activity. So it makes sense that all eyes are on Arbitrum right now. And unless the snapshots of wallets have already been taken, which has neither been denied nor confirmed in Discord, here is your last chance to position yourself for the Arby airdrop. So first, when there's a gold rush, you can benefit one of two ways. The first way is to directly try and mine for the gold, or in this case, gain a direct exposure to the Arbitrum ecosystem by interacting in the projects that are native to it. They include GMX, which is a decentralized perpetuals exchange, DopeX, an options protocol, and Mycelium, formerly known as TracerDAO, who's building a suite of derivatives products. The other way to benefit from a gold rush is indirectly by investing or selling the pick and shovels. And in this case, it would be the bridging and messaging protocols. These are the ones that facilitate cross-chain infrastructure without having a direct stake in any of the dApps or ecosystems themselves. Yes, they've become notorious recently for being hacked multiple times, but unfortunately for now, they still remain a critical piece of infrastructure that allows users to quickly and easily move assets across multiple ecosystems. If you don't already have native L2 assets on chain, then you'll have to bridge some over. Even $10 or $100 could do the trick. Granted, your airdrop won't be as large as a user that moves over $100,000, but high risk, high reward. For this, you can try Synapse, a cross-chain messaging protocol, or Hop or Stargate. Those are both bridging protocols. Bridging and interacting with Arby ecosystem is the easiest way to gain exposure. However, if you're willing to be a little more active, you could do the Arbitrum Odyssey. It's definitely going to be a little more involved, so I'll link the info to all the steps in the description below and you can check them out. And as bonus picks, check out some of these smaller projects with potentially a greater upside. Okay, you have Vesta Finance, which is a lending protocol. Vesta basically allows you to collateralize a variety of decentralized assets, including popular Arbitrum-based tokens like GMX and DPX, to mint a stablecoin at 0% interest. The second one is going to be Umami Finance. This one is the Yearn of Arbitrum. So Umami actually helped popularize the trend of paying token holders a cut of the product and treasury farming revenue in ETH. The third one is going to be Premia, which is an options protocol. This one utilizes an AMM or automated market maker where users can buy puts or calls while liquidity providers can earn a premium from underwriting these options. Fourth one is going to be Y2K Finance. This is a protocol for pricing risk in pegged assets. There's currently no Y2K token, although token holders will eventually be able to earn a cut of protocol revenues and vote on emissions to different vaults. And last but not least is my favorite name of all, Rage Trade. This one is a perpetuals exchange, and it's aiming to build the most liquid ETH perp through 80/20 vaults that seek to boost returns for LPs by routing 80% of deposits into external protocols to earn yield while utilizing the remaining 20% as liquidity for traders. And if you're feeling extra degen, here's a contract that this crypto Twitter user created to streamline the process. Basically, you send 0.02 ETH to the contract and it will go and buy all these different L2 Arbitrum tokens and hopefully qualify you for an airdrop so that you don't have to do it manually one by one. However, highly risky. So if you scroll through, you can see that there's both positive and negative experiences. So it really depends on how degen or code savvy you are. I personally haven't done it yet, so can't recommend, but it's definitely gained a lot of traction and I thought I would let you decide for yourself. So yeah, we have a lot of exciting, innovative projects that are building on Arbitrum and even more to come. With all of the speculation and new liquidity being attracted, L2s are just poised to grow significantly in the coming months. Just make sure that you're well positioned. So let me know in the comments what you've been doing or plan to do to qualify for this upcoming RB airdrop. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.